Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you've been following me on my Instagram was so busy. Wait a minute, did you not follow my Instagram? Oh my goodness, what's going on? Make sure you follow my Instagram. I have 2 Instagram accounts. First one is Mr. Jane All-in-One, and this Instagram account is about fashion, luxury, and travel. If you are a cosmetic addict, you like makeup, you like skincare, you have to check out Skin by Steve Jen. Anyway, so last couple weeks I've been attending a lot of different parties, and there's one very special PR party I was invited as a +1 by Jade. Oh, my princess, thank you so much for inviting me. So I was able to go there, and today's video is really to show you what are the PR package I received at a party. Oh my god, this is amazing, and some of the highlights. And let's get started. So guys, I want to do my new friend.
Just saying.
Oh my gosh, look at her. And this is her beautiful sister, Janice. Next time I need to overdress myself a little bit. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. What do you think about a party? Oh my goodness, that's what the influencer go. So I was so thankful that Jade invited me with her sister, and it was so much fun, meeting a lot of new people, and I met some of amazing beauty influencer. Their story is so touching. It's just really good to see a lot of young people doing what they love with a lot of passions, and I think that's what a lot of people lacking right now, is passions. Anyway, that's a whole other issue. We'll talk about that later. So now let's open up the gift bag. Glow Recipe recently launched a brand new dual product. Let me show you guys that. I have not even tried this yet, but it is available on Sephora. You can check it out. And it's a Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol, eye sleeping mask, and a face sleeping mask. So sleeping masks in Korean beauty is nothing new. Every company has some type of sleeping mask, but what's really cool is their technology in there. They are using the encapsulated retinol. So what that means is that they put retinol encapsulated, so it lasts longer, release longer without irritations. And let's open this up and give it a try on my skin right now, see how I like it. The baby's sitting inside. So let's pull this out now. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Look how cute it is. Look at this little baby. Oh my god, this is so cute. This little girl, little baby. Let me show you guys the difference. Super cute. They also gave everyone the Mount Light. It's the Jade eye massage tool. Let me show you guys that. This is supposed to help reduce puffiness. I always get puffiness because of the allergy, so I'm really excited to try this. Whoa, it's like a very cool. So I can't wait to try all this together. Okay, now let's try this on my face now. Alright, so before I use the sleeping mask, I want to tell you guys some skincare routine. If you are using any type of sleeping mask, technically you don't need to put a lot of skincare on already, because sleeping mask has ability to last all night and seal the ingredient in there. Unless you are super dry, if you're normal to oily or normal skin, you can just wash your face, put on your toner, put on your essence, and put on a sleeping mask. So now I'm going to mist a little bit on my face with the ultra fine watermelon ultra fine face mist. Okay, kind of set my skin a little bit. I like this because the mist, you can see it. It's very fine. Alright, so we're gonna start with the eye eye mask, you'll have to use the spatula because it's almost impossible to put your finger in there, but this will fit right inside. See that? That go all the way in there so you can get the product out like that. So we'll just take a little bit out. Okay. So I just, it's very cooling. First I put on the skin, so to feel like this. So you're gonna put a very thick layer around the eye area. Eye massage, you can just do it like that. Oh, you feel so good. And you know what? You can massage the entire face with this to feel so good. So because the Jade has natural cooling effect, so it will calm and shrink the blood vessel beneath the skin. So your puffiness, your dark circle will be a little bit less noticeable. So let's just try a little bit longer. And then when you glide, it's really soothing, it's not pulling the skin. So now, next thing I'm gonna put on is the face sleeping mask. Falling apart. So the consistency is a little bit thicker than the eye cream. I swear it looks just like avocado. So I'm gonna put this on the skin here. It actually don't smell like avocado at all. So, and then the texture almost feel like a cream and jelly a little bit. There's a lot of air bubble inside, so it's kind of make it really refined, I would say that. And then don't go sleep yet because right now it's a little too much, and then you can transfer to your pillow. So ideally you want to let it dry a little bit before you go to sleep. I did put a lot though, I think. Okay, so now let's get this massage tool. Try this again. And now we're going to, I'm gonna show a little technique here, okay? So this is my face. So we're gonna start in the eye, just going this way. Press at tempo, glide, press back here. So you're using as a little massage, and as you press, it helps detox. Okay. What do you think of my skin? It's a little bit tighter right here. You can see cheekbones a little bit better now here. Very nice, right? What I like about this sleeping mask from Glow Recipe for the eye and the face, it's rich but it's not super sticky. Sometimes I hate the sleeping mask feels so sticky, so thick, and does feel a little bit uncomfortable. This is actually the right amount of thickness on the skin, so I have to say they do a really good job. At the end, I want to say thank you again, Jade and Genesis brought me to the Glow Recipe party. It's so much fun. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And then I believe that me and the girls, the angels, we're gonna do a couple of skincare video coming up soon. And I'll be very excited to show you guys what skincare they're using and their beauty tips. I think you guys also want to know that too. Alright, so at the end, don't forget to follow all my social media right over here. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!